guys, welcome back. It's January 1 today, 2021. Look where we are. We're just walking. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah. It's family day today. Look, it's frozen. I don't know if you can see it, but it's little bit frozen. The lake, small lake. Yeah, here. Look, it's frozen because it's cold. But we are so bored in the house, guys. We really need the fresh air. Oh my god, the restriction, the lockdown, the pressure of the virus. It's so annoyed about what to do, need to follow for the sake of the Gesundheit or the sake of the health. So yeah, and we're just walking here at the forest. Kasi dito, hindi mo kailangan mag-mask. You don't need to wear mask. You can breathe freely. So yeah, a lot of people also walking, guys, biking. A lot of people. So yeah, yun. Ano ba ang ginawa namin sa Pasko? Wala, tulog. Tulog kami, guys. Hindi kami naganda. Kasi, di naman sa, as in, bitter kami sa nangyayari. But, we're just not feeling well to celebrate of what happening in this world. So, choice namin na hindi mag-celebrate. Nagluto lang din naman ako ng kaunti. Then, yan. Little bit. At midnight, hindi kami nag-celebrate. Tulog kami, natulog kami. Kami lang kasi tatlo. Tapos sobrang boring. Kasi, alam ko yung iba nag-spend kahit tatlo lang sila or dalawa lang sila sa bahay. But, kami wala. Yun. Parang hindi namin ma-feel yung Pasko. I don't know why. Hindi ko talaga ma-feel. Always ma-miss ko yung Pinas. Kasi dapat sa Poland kami magpapasko at mag-New Year eh. Lockdown naman sa Poland, guys. So, ayun, stuck kami sa Germany. For until, I don't know, until when we are stuck, we can go back to Poland. I don't know. We don't know. But, I hope year 2021 be good to us, please. Sana wala nang ibang virus pa na mag-spread kakalat, ganon. Tagalog na lang, ay. Wala nang ibang virus pa nakakalat. And yan, my husband and I and the baby, we go out to have fresh air here. As you can see, it's winter time here. A little bit raining, but it's so wet because of the coldness. The coldness is plus, so it's wet cold, wet winter. Kaya kahit hindi masyadong umulan, so yun, parang basa-basa. And kapag negative naman, sabi ng asawa ko, dry daw, dry cold daw. So medyo dry nga. So yun, guys. This place is green. Green grass of home. It just circle green, guys.
So, we can also
So, comment down below guys kung may mga question kayo. Kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin, sa amin ng asawa ko, sa amin ng baby ko. So, please comment down below. And, I can shout out you in my next vlog. So, yun guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!